The National Security Agency is an intelligence agency of the United States Department of Defense under the authority of the Director of National Intelligence. The NSA is responsible for global monitoring, collection, and processing of information and data for global intelligence and counterintelligence purposes, specializing in a discipline known as signals intelligence. The NSA is also tasked with the protection of U.S. communications networks and information systems. The NSA relies on a variety of measures to accomplish its mission, the majority of which are clandestine. The NSA has roughly 32,000 employees. Originating as a unit to decipher coded communications in World War II, it was officially formed as the NSA by President Harry S. Truman in 1952. Between then and the end of the Cold War, it became the largest of the U.S. intelligence organizations in terms of personnel and budget. Still, information available as of 2013 indicates that the Central Intelligence Agency pulled ahead in this regard with a budget of $14.07 billion. The NSA currently conducts worldwide mass data collection and has been known to physically bug electronic systems as one method to this end. The NSA is also alleged to have been behind such attack software as Stuxnet, which severely damaged Iran's nuclear program. The NSA, alongside the CIA, maintains a physical presence in many countries across the globe. The CIA/NSA Joint Special Collection Service inserts eavesdropping devices in high-value targets. SCS collection tactics allegedly encompass close surveillance, burglary, wiretapping, breaking. Unlike the CIA and the Defense Intelligence Agency, both of which specialize primarily in foreign human espionage, the NSA does not publicly conduct human intelligence gathering. The NSA is entrusted with assisting with and coordinating SIGINT elements for other government organizations which executive order prevents from engaging in such activities on their own. As part of these responsibilities, the agency has a co-located organization called the Central Security Service, which facilitates cooperation between the NSA and other U.S. defense cryptanalysis components. To further ensure streamlined communication between the signals intelligence community divisions, the NSA director simultaneously serves as the commander of the United States Cyber Command and as chief of the Central Security Service. The NSA's actions have been a matter of political controversy on several occasions, including its role in providing intelligence during the Gulf of Tonkin incident, which contributed to the escalation of U.S. involvement in the Vietnam War. Declassified documents later revealed that the NSA misinterpreted or overstated signals intelligence, leading to reports of a second North Vietnamese attack that likely never occurred. The agency has also received scrutiny for spying on anti-Vietnam War leaders and the agency's participation in economic espionage.